Hello, freelancers. One of the questions many freelancers ask is, where can I find clients? The truth is, clients are everywhere. It's just that you are looking in the wrong directions, or probably you are just passively waiting for clients to find you. In this video, we're going to look at where language professionals or freelancers can find clients. Many people believe that client will just automatically come because they learn a skill or because they are good at what they do. But the truth is, sometimes clients do not find you. You look for them. Learning a skill is one part, and positioning yourself to be found by clients is also another. Many people know or have a skill, but do not know how to monetize it. Today, we're going to look at where can you find clients, especially as a language professional. One of the places language professionals can find clients is LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn? Because a lot of recruiters, a lot of founders, a lot of project managers are on LinkedIn. Therefore, it's the perfect place to find them. Engage with them, comment on their post, and strategically pitch to them. LinkedIn gives you the opportunity to showcase your expertise. It is not just a social media platform, it's a professional platform. I know of many people who close $1,000 deals via LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is a very important, a very good platform, but it won't work for you if you do not take it serious. You must be intentional about it. You must show up. You must be committed. You must engage on your client's comment. You must create content that will attract them, and then it will start working for you, or it will start paying you as time progresses. The next place language professionals can find clients is freelance platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancers, People Per Hour, and Langigs, and so many other platforms. Many people complain that competitions exist in these platforms. Yes, there are a lot of competitions, but also opportunities exist. A lot of people are making it daily on such platforms. There are two types of persons or individuals on freelance platform. Those that complain that there are no opportunities or there are high competition, and those that take opportunities. I usually tell people that freelance platforms are business platforms. You must have the orientation, or you must approach it as a business platform, and then it will work for you. As a business, you must invest your time, you must invest your resources, you must invest your energy before it will start bringing or yielding result. You must research these platforms. How do they work? What are the things that work in these platforms? Make your research online and then apply it, and it will work for you. If need be, you might even invest resources and then it will work for you. So you must treat it as a business, because it is actually your business. And as your business, you must invest all that you need to invest in it before it will work for you. Another mistakes many professionals make on freelance platform is that they sit down passively and expect clients to find them. That will not work. You must customize your profile. You must do all the things that you need to do. And then also, you must send out proposals. If the platforms requires you to send out proposals. So you must send out proposals to the right jobs. The next place is language agencies. Many language agencies need transcribers, some need translators, some need subtitlers, some need individuals that will train AI models. So it's important that you also start thinking of exploring these options. Now, how do you get them? You research them online and send a professional introduction email. You visit their website, search for their pages on LinkedIn, and it will work for you. Many people never do this because they are afraid of rejection. If they reject you, then what? And most of the times you are rejected because when you pitch or when you send professional email to these agencies, you sound desperate. You are solving a problem. You are not pleading or begging for opportunity. Therefore, you must customize your email or your proposal in a way that it will solve the client's problem. The next place you can get client as a professional, language professional, or a freelancer is social media platforms. Now, social media platforms are a great opportunity that many people have not been utilizing. Personally, one of my biggest clients, I got the person via social media platforms. Platforms like X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. These platforms give you great opportunity to interact with founders, HRs, and key decision makers in different industries that can hire you as a language professional. Many content creators on these social media platforms need subtitles, they need captions. Many of them want to reach out to international clients. This is an opportunity for you to pitch and close a deal with them. So I strongly recommend social media also as a platform to get clients. The next place to find clients is AI companies and tech startups. This is becoming one of the fastest growing opportunities for language professionals, and many language professionals are sleeping on it. AI companies need data annotators, language evaluators, transcribers, voice data contributors, multilingual reviewers. All these are great opportunities for you as a language professional. AI is creating huge demand for language related jobs. Therefore, it is a very good place for you to also explore. You can search for these companies. I know a lot of them on LinkedIn. You can search for them and then engage with them and pitch, or wait for them when they require your service. You'll always be there to provide it. The last place to get clients is direct outreach. Do not wait for clients to come for you. Go after them. Send emails, send messages, introduce your businesses. Many freelancers do not get jobs because they do not ask for it. Sometimes you need to reach out to the client and pitch professionally. As I said, professionally. Another place for language professionals to get clients are online communities and networking places. Examples are Discord, Slack, WhatsApp communities, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. These are all communities that you can leverage on to get clients. Join these communities and create professional relationships. Sometimes opportunities comes via relationship. Now this is a bonus point. Another place or how you can also get clients is through referrals. Many freelancers, many language professionals do not ask for referrals. Now, when you get a work from a client, every client is a potential person that will refer you to another person. So when you get a work from a client, do it professionally, deliver quality work, and deliver it on time. And once the client is satisfied, ask him for a referral. Would you mind referring me to another person? Can you please assist to refer me to someone who will need my services? You don't get referrals because you do not ask for it. So it's also very important that you ask your clients for referrals. They might know one or two persons that they might refer you to. And sometimes they might not know anyone. But because you ask for it, when the opportunity comes, they will remember you and they will refer you to that person. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find value in this video, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This will assist us to continually release content that will be valuable to you. Till I come your way again, thank you for watching.